The 8 classes of overwhelm in TROM defined. In life, games are played voluntarily or they are compulsive. Voluntary games are won and lost and are no serious matter. But a compulsive game is one that ends in an overwhelm. In other words, one's intention, or what we call a postulate, overwhelms his opponent's intention, and his opponent is forced to agree with him, so to speak. The 4 basic postulates, or in simpler terms, intentions, are as follows. To know. To be known. To not know. To not be known. These postulates can be used to overwhelm another in compulsive games play, and when they are, we add the word must to the postulate to mean that one has to, or is compelled to. So these 4 basic postulates then become must know, must be known, must not know, and must not be known. One can also be forced into one of these 4 postulates, and we still use the word must, but the meaning of that word changes into can't help but. If I make you listen to me whether you want to or not, then I am forcing you to know. I must be known, and you must know me. I am overwhelming you with my postulate. I feel compelled to, or have to make you know me, and you can't help but know me. If I expose your secrets, I am forcing you to be known. I must know your secrets, and your secrets must be known. Another overwhelm. If I keep a secret from you, I am preventing you from knowing. The secret must not be known, and you must not know it. If I cover your mouth so you cannot speak, I am preventing you from being known. You must not be known, and I must not know you. When I overwhelm you with my intention, or postulate, I am committing an overt on you. You receive what is called a motivator. Thus, the 8 classes of overwhelm are a list of overts and motivators, or in other words, things one commits on others and things that are committed on one. They are as follows. Forced to know. Preventing from being known. Prevented from knowing. Forcing to be known. Forced to be known. Preventing from knowing. Prevented from being known. Forcing to know. The 8 classes of overwhelm are the sole focus of TROM Level 4, and are further addressed in TROM Level 5. For further study on how the 8 classes of overwhelm fit into the subject of TROM, watch the video on how advanced level TROM handles inner conflicts and past overwhelms, and listen to the lecture on the postulate failure cycle chart used in TROM.